In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the destination not working error in Google Ads. This is a common issue you might come across when managing your online advertising campaigns, and while it might seem daunting, I'm here to walk you through each step to resolve it efficiently in just about 5 minutes. First, let's head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is the starting point for managing all things related to your advertisements and a central hub filled with features to optimize your marketing efforts. Once there, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. This step is crucial as signing in will allow you access to your account settings and all the tools you'll need to solve the destination not working issue. After signing in, navigate to the Google Ads home. It's important to have a clear overview of your campaigns and ad performance right from the start. This area provides valuable insights into how your ads are doing and where potential issues might lie. Next, locate and click on the Tools section. This is where Google Ads houses various utilities designed to help troubleshoot and optimize your ad campaigns. Clicking on Tools will open up a range of options, including features that delve into fixing ad issues. Once you're in the Tools section, you'll see a troubleshooting option. Clicking on it brings you to a dedicated area, focusing on diagnosing problems that might be affecting your ad performance, such as the destination not working error. This section is your go-to resource for understanding exactly what might be hindering your ad's reach. Another handy feature in Google Ads is the Policy Manager. Clicking here will allow you to review any policy violations that might be causing the error. The Policy Manager serves as a checkpoint to ensure all your ads comply with Google's advertising policies. Overlooking this step can mean missing out on critical adjustments needed for your ads to run smoothly. Finally, to further investigate the problem, use the Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool. This tool allows you to simulate a click on your ad, which provides a glimpse into how Google views and processes your advertisement. It's instrumental in identifying where exactly the issue occurs, ensuring you're not missing a hidden element causing the destination not working error. Remember, patience and attention to detail are key here. By methodically navigating through each of these areas and utilizing the tools Google provides, you can identify and fix the error efficiently. I hope this guide helps you maintain smooth and effective campaigns. Best of luck in resolving any issues you encounter with your Google Ads.